Ever notice how some gardens overflow with life while others struggle, even when both follow the same advice? You add compost, water and fertilizer, yet your plants seem lackluster. The difference isn't just about the big three nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. True garden health starts deeper in the living ecosystem of the soil. Modern gardening often relies on quick fixes, but these only offer temporary results. A thriving garden depends on a rich web of soil life, nourished by more than just basic nutrients. The missing piece? Trace minerals, vital elements that support plant growth, resilience and flavor. These minerals have been enriching soils for millennia, long before synthetic fertilizers. The secret to flourishing gardens is locked in ancient rock, waiting to be returned to the soil. It's not a new invention, but a return to nature's original recipe for abundance. Let's uncover how this ancient ingredient can transform your garden. The secret is volcanic rock dust, a simple, natural material. For centuries, people living near volcanoes enjoyed rich, productive soils. Volcanic eruptions scatter mineral-rich rock, which breaks down and feeds the land. Ancient farmers noticed their crops thrived in these soils, even if they didn't know why. Today, we can harness this same power by adding volcanic rock dust to our gardens. It's not a quick-fix fertilizer, but a source of essential trace minerals missing from most soils. Think of it as a multivitamin for your plants, filling nutritional gaps that compost and fertilizers miss. By using rock dust, you invest in long-term soil health and resilience. It's a simple, natural way to restore balance and vitality to your garden. Instead of chasing chemical solutions, you're building a foundation for lasting abundance. This ancient solution is ready to breathe new life into your soil. Volcanic rock dust begins deep within the earth, where magma forms a mineral-rich soup. When volcanoes erupt, this magma cools into rocks like basalt, packed with essential elements. These rocks are ground into a fine powder, no chemicals, just pure minerals. Unlike standard fertilizers, which focus on a few nutrients, rock dust offers over 70 trace elements. Calcium, magnesium, iron, manganese and silica are just a few, each vital for plant health. These minerals strengthen cell walls, boost photosynthesis, and help plants resist pests and disease. Chemical fertilizers force fast, weak growth. Rock dust builds strength from within. Silica, for example, acts like scaffolding, making plants sturdier and less appealing to pests. With rock dust, plants get the full toolkit they need for robust, natural growth. It's a holistic approach, feeding the soil, not just the plant. The result? Healthier, more resilient gardens. This is nature's blueprint for thriving plants. Volcanic rock dust releases its minerals slowly, unlike fast-acting chemical fertilizers. Soil microbes break down the rock, unlocking nutrients over months and years. This process feeds both plants and the beneficial microbes that support them. The result is a thriving, balanced soil ecosystem, better structure, water retention and disease resistance. Fungi extend plant roots, helping them access more nutrients and water. Rock dust kickstarts a cycle of health that builds over time. It's a gentle, sustainable way to nurture your garden from the ground up. The impact of rock dust is visible from the start. Seedlings emerge stronger, with deeper green leaves and robust roots. As plants mature, they're stockier, with thicker stems and tougher leaves, less appealing to pests. Silica strengthens their structure, helping them withstand weather and disease. Flowering and fruiting improve, with more blooms and tastier, more nutritious produce. Flavors deepen, carrots taste sweeter, tomatoes richer, greens crisper. Before rock dust, you may have battled yellow leaves and poor harvests. After, your garden hums with vitality and the soil becomes darker and more crumbly. The transformation is dramatic. Healthier plants, better yields and richer flavors. It's a change you can see, taste and feel. Using volcanic rock dust is simple and forgiving. Scatter it over garden beds, about 0.5 kilogram per square metre, once a year. Rake it in lightly or let rain and worms do the work. For new beds, mix it in with compost as you prepare the soil. In pots, add a tablespoon or 2 per 10 litres of compost, or sprinkle on top and water in. You can even add it to compost heaps or lawns, or make a mineral-rich liquid feed. However you use it, you're building healthier, more productive soil. It's an easy step with lasting rewards. Volcanic rock dust is a natural, non-toxic choice for eco-conscious gardeners. It contains no synthetic chemicals and is safe for children, pets and wildlife. Unlike chemical fertilizers, it doesn't pollute waterways or disrupt soil life. Its slow-release minerals stay in the soil, nourishing plants sustainably. Remineralizing your soil is an act of restoration, giving back to the earth. It aligns with organic principles, building resilience and reducing the need for chemical intervention. A simple change, but one that creates a healthier, more beautiful garden for all. If your garden isn't thriving or you want to take it to the next level, try volcanic rock dust. Start small, experiment with a bed or a few pots and compare the results. You'll notice stronger seedlings, greener leaves and tastier harvests. One application releases benefits for years, building soil fertility and structure. You're investing in a self-sustaining, resilient garden. This spring, sprinkle some rock dust and watch your garden transform. It's a simple step toward the healthiest, most vibrant plants you've ever grown. Your garden and your taste buds will thank you.